Hello, my dear all. Okay, so as we all know that today we are going to see how we are going to connect the GPS and mobile to perform the drive test. See, whenever we are performing the drive test, see, although it is test, okay, so whenever test means that means we are specifying the thing. Whenever we are specifying the thing, we need to specify the processes also. Okay, and we get to know, and we already know that we are having right now three types of cell phone through which we are performing the drive test. Okay, right now we are in the vehicle, or I am in the vehicle. That means we are in the vehicle also. You are also in the vehicle. Okay, so we required vehicle, we required cell phone, we required GPS, and we required connectors. Okay, so now I am having the P40. Okay, P40 right now we are having, and we are having the GPS. We are having the GPS. Okay, we are having the connectors. We are having the connectors. And one thing you need to understand that whenever we are using the TEMS, we required license mapped first. Without license, TEMS is not going to work. Without license, TEMS is not going to work. You need to understand and you need to recall these things. Okay, तो जब कभी भी हम टेम्स को यूज करेंगे तो हमें सबसे पहले लाइसेंस को मैप कराना होगा. बिना लाइसेंस को मैप कराए हुए अगर आप टेम्स सॉफ्टवेयर को ओपन करना चाहेंगे लैपटॉप में तो वो ओपन नहीं. इज इट ओके? ओके, सो मैं अभी स्क्रीन को शेयर करता हूँ एंड फर्दर वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कनेक्ट दीज थिंग्स. ओके, and again, like these many parameters are there whenever we are talking about the NR35. You know, we already discussed that we need to understand that LTE is there, NR is there, okay, like that, 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. Okay. So see, first of all, I'm going to show you how license is mapped right now. See, license control panel is there. You just open it. See, these many licenses are mapped. Okay, these many licenses are mapped. Here it is mentioned that map license. And lastly, I will show you also if license is not there, then what are the pictures you are getting here. Okay. So whenever license is mapped, you are permit or you are allowed to open TEMS software. Okay, so you just open the TEMS software. See, always you need to select the professionals. After selecting, it is just showing that on device 2 TEMS investigation. You just close it. No need to worry and no need to think about that. See, here these many workspaces are there. We need to work on these many things. But right now we are working on 4G or 5G. So basically, we are trying to understand the workspace in 4G or 5G. You can create new workspace from here. See, new workspace is there. So you need to create from here. I already created. Why? Because we worked on these many things like 4G, 5G, investigation LTE, then a diverted route, then LTE CDMA, then NB-IoT, and so many parameters are there. Further, whenever we are in these things, we are going to discuss how these things are specified and how these things are different, slightly different. Okay. So whenever we are working on the 4G or 5G, you need to double click on that. I already created the workspace, so that window is coming into the picture. It will take some time. It will take some time. Why? Because this is the heavy software. Okay. तो जब कभी भी आप किसी भी ऐसे heavy software पे work करोगे तो वहां पे थोड़ा सा आपको time देना पड़ता है. It required a few seconds, or you can think like it will require 1 minute to complete its processes. Okay. Further, when these STEM software will be opened, you need to understand that how further we are going to set up all these files so that we can work properly for the drive test. Okay. So see, here you need to understand that one option is there, that is layer control. You just need to click on that. And after clicking on that, you just go down and you need to remove ocean till USA. Okay, so you just remove it. You just remove the grid also, you need to remove the word also, you need to remove these things, and lastly, you need to remove the US. Then you need to add the road. Okay, so whenever you are performing on the project, these all tab files are given to you. Okay, basically two things are there, tab file, cell file. And whenever you are creating something, that is nothing but the log file. Tab file, cell file, log file. We already discussed about these things also. Okay, so you just need to insert it, open it, okay, and you need to just click it on the okay. Okay, so see, these maps are coming into the picture. Means these are nothing but the road maps. These are nothing but the road maps. Okay. Again, you need to go to the file, and in file you need to go to the options. You just click on the options. Here, so many parameters are there, like general, recording, NR options, LTE option, WCDMA option, KPI. Then you need to just recall that you need to first insert the tab file, then go to the file, and after that you need to go to the cell file. In cell file, whatever the things are there, you just need to remove all. You need to remove all or remove it. It is the blank space, and you need to add on. So right now we are working on the Betelgeuse and Jan. We are working right now in the Betelgeuse and Jan. So you just need to click on Jan, and then you need to click on open. Whatever network you need to recall or call in the TEMS, you need to select here that one. Okay, then you need to select OK. After selecting OK, you need to connect the phone, you need to connect the GPS. So first we are trying to connect the cell phone. So you just need to place this USB cable into your laptop. And after that, you need to place into the cell phone. The first option you are getting is nothing but the charging option. Okay, you need to cancel it. This is the very generalized form. Whenever we are trying to transfer some photos or videos like that we are doing, so you need to again think like, sir, what you are telling we already know. Okay, so no, see, one simple settings is there. Okay, I'm going to share you the pictures of that mobile phone with that PDF. Okay, so no need to worry. I'm just trying to say you need to concentrate on that. See, first of all, we need to go to the setting. When we go to the setting, in setting, you need to type developer. Okay, you need to type the developer option. So whenever developer option is coming into the picture, further you need to select it and go down. In go down, you are getting the option like revoke USB debugging. So you just click on that and you need to press on OK. After that, you need to on USB debug and you need to hit on OK. Okay. Then you need to minimize it. Further, you go to the setting and you need to type USB tethering. Okay. And again, you need to on it. When you are trying to on it, you are getting the options like that. And you are see here also in laptop also you are getting the display like this computer RSA key is same message you are allowing to the computer and you need to press OK. Okay. Okay, na? Then see, connected to the computer via USB. You got one message. Then you need to put or enter the code. That code is important, and that code you need to remember. A star has 2846579159 has a star. Then you are getting these type of options. I'm going to share these images with you. No need to worry. You just understand how we are going to set. Then you need to go on the fifth option, which is nothing but the background setting. Further, you need to go on the USB port setting. Okay. Then USB port setting. And after that, you need to select Ballon debug mode. Okay. And you need to confirm it. See, after confirming, it is going to connect it. But see here, you are getting a message that USB debugging is not on. And whenever you are getting the message like high silicon unknown valve, whenever you are getting the message like that, unknown. That means your phone is not connected. Your phone is not connected with your temps. Again, you need to restart the phone. And for the same connections, you need to build up. So this is the parameter where you need to understand. If you are not connecting the phone, then always you are getting the error message. So you need to remove it. And further, in phone, you need to close all the things and you need to restart the phone. You need to restart the phone. Meanwhile, I am connecting the GPS. Okay. GPS, no need to worry and nothing is there to connect. Shall I put like that? Right. And again, here important aspects are there like EQ1, EQ2. So always you need to understand that in EQ1, phone is always connected, and in EQ2, GPS need to be connected. You can place GPS outside the car or in front of you, or if you are trying to place like this, no need to worry. You can place like this also. Okay, this is the unique one, like doctors. Okay, so right now I am putting like that. Okay. So see, phone is restarted. Again, you need to insert it. After inserting, you need to cancel out. Okay. Then you need to go to the setting. In setting, developer option is there. Okay. In developer option, you need to go to the revoke. You need to press OK. Then you need to hit on OK on USB debugging. No need to worry. These are the things which I'm going to dictate. Okay. Then further, you need to go to the setting. Then here you need to type USB tethering. Okay. After typing USB 30, you need to on it. After on it, you need to allow the computer. See, you are getting the screen message also. So you need to always allow from the computer. Then you need to press OK, confirm, minimize it. Okay. See, now you need to enter the code. And that code is nothing but the star has 2846579159 has a star. Then here so many options are there where you need to connect with the background setting, then USB port setting, then USB port setting, then balance debug mode. Then you need to confirm it. Now see what message is coming on the tabs. See, again it is coming like unknown. So see how many times you need to try, you need to think. Okay, see, second time you feel. That's why whenever we are performing the drive test, this is the important parameter to connect it. This is the important parameter to connect it. Again, you need to remove the pin, then go to all the settings. You need to try for 3 to 4 times or 5 times. Sometimes in first time you are getting these things, then cancel it. That's why I said ना you आप भी जब ऐसे करोगे तो आपको पूरा याद हो जाएगा ठीक है. Then you need to go to the developer option. Okay, you need to go to the revoke option. You need to go to the USB debugging. Then you need to go to the USB tethering. Then you need to on it. Then you need to allow it. After that, you need to put the star has 2846579159 has a star. You are getting the options. You need to click on the background setting, then USB port setting, then USB port setting, Balong debug, and you need to confirm it. See, again, field option is coming into the picture. So whenever you are trying and getting the field option, you need to again restart the tabs, entire tabs. Always need to understand these things, and you need to cut it. You need to cut it. No need to save it. Then remove the pin. Okay, remove your data cable and your this GPS. Okay, cut down all the things, and further you need to start with the tabs. You need to hit on OK or yes. Then you need to go to the professional. Then further you need to close it. Then 4G, 5G project. Okay. It will take a few seconds. See what is GPS. Okay. So hope you remembered. First, we need to go to the layer control. Okay. You need to remove ocean, grid, word capitals, USA, and you need to add the TAF file of the road. Okay. Once you add it, then you need to hit on OK. Then you need to further go on. You need to further go on file. After file, you need to go to the options. In options, you are getting the cell file. First, you need to remove all the things. After removing, you need to add the cell file. Right now, we are doing the JAN network setting. Then you need to go to the JAN and you just need to hit the cell file of the JAN. Then you need to press the OK. And after pressing OK, you need to set up with the mobile. So whenever we are trying to set up with the mobile phone, further you need to connect it. And after connecting, you need to cancel it. And after canceling it, you need to go to the setting. In setting, you need to go to the developer option. You need to go to the developer option. In developer option, you are getting a revoke USB, and then you need to hit on USB debugging. Once you hit it on the USB debugging, you need to again minimize it, and you need to further go to the USB tethering. Okay, and then further you need to on it, and once you on it, then you are getting the pop-up like always allow from this computer. You need to press on OK, and after pressing OK, you need to again put on the code, and you need right now you know the code also. Star has 2846579159 has a star. Further, you are getting so many options, 10 options total you are getting. Okay, so you need to hit on the fifth option, which is nothing but the background setting. Further, you need to go on the USB port setting, then USB port setting, then background debug mode. You need to confirm it. After confirming, you need to minimize it. Now, option is coming. See, now it's coming. Why? Check for, see, now the phone is connected with the TEMS. Okay, how you are going to see it? See, the device specification is coming here, like ELS N29. Okay, so whenever the phone is connected, you are not getting any message like unknown. And whenever unknown is coming into the picture, you need to cut the thing. You need to cut the temps, you need to restart it, you need to restart the phone. Until and unless your phone is connected to the temps, you are not going to get any sort of test, any sort of drive test. And maximum time we are performing this error. We need to think like phone is connected, we are getting the message like unknown, and we are just ignoring it. We are not knowing basically what that unknown message know. So why? Because see, phone is connected. You are getting the signals. Okay, you are getting here PCI. You are getting the 4G PCI. You are getting the 5G PCI. So we are thinking that okay, phone is connected. No need to worry. But you need to understand that till the device name is coming into the here, that means coming into the picture of temps. Okay, till that time your phone is not connected. Once it's come, then your phone is connected. And once the phone is connected, further, you need to go to connect the GPS. Okay, this is your GPS, and you like this. Okay, so I am putting the GPS like that. But remember, whenever you are also coming into this field, I am going to put the GPS like this. Okay, if you are okay with that, then okay. So always try to put this GPS with outside the door, car door. Okay, so that proper PCIs are coming into the servings or coming into the picture. Okay, so I always prefer to keep this GPS outside the car. Okay, so if you are comfortable, you need to put like that. Okay, so see, again here connect option is there, so you need to click on that. Means you are activating. phone is also connected, GPS is also connected, and you are getting the PCIs. See, you are getting the PCI. Okay, right now phone is connected, GPS is connected, and you are getting the PCI. And see, this is nothing but the GPS. This is nothing but the GPS. Okay, so whenever we are trying to move forward, we are trying to move backward. Okay, we are going rightward, leftward. According to the thing, the PCI is going to be changed, and whatever the sector you want, like suppose you need sector A, you need sector B, you need sector C. So whenever we are trying to get any sort of sector, you need to stand there, we need to take the readings. Okay, if that drive is there, then we need to further go on the drive. If that static point is there, you need to stay in the sector and you need to record the data multiple times. Okay, you need to record the speed test, you need to go for the voltage call. Okay, you need to go for the call. So these procedures, and these procedures we further I'm going to discuss in upcoming sessions. But right now you need to understand that how the cell phone and GPS is going to be connected with the TEMS. So two parameters are there. I'm just going to recap it and are going to close it. Okay. So जब कभी भी हम टेम्स को टेम्स को लैपटॉप में रन करेंगे, आपको दो चीजों का ख्याल रखना है. पहला क्या है, आपका लाइसेंस लैपटॉप में मैप होना चाहिए. बिना लाइसेंस मैप हुए अगर आप टेम्स सॉफ्टवेयर को ओपन करते हो तो वो नहीं. ठीक है. Okay, is it okay for all? See, whenever we need to, whenever we are trying to connect whenever we are trying to connect and run the TEM software for the DT, that means drive test, first thing is nothing but the license mapped. Once the license is mapped, then only you are authorized to open the TEM software. You need to then open the TEM software. You need to go to the layer control. You need to remove till USA. You need to add the road tab. After adding the road tab, you need to go to the file. You need to add the cell file on which network you are trying to perform the things. Once you added the network, okay, once you added the cell file, before adding cell file, you need to remove all. Okay, then you need to connect the phone, and we further know how to connect the phone. Okay, while connecting the phone, you need to take care of few things. जब तक फोन कनेक्ट नहीं होगा तब तक आप छोड़ोगे नहीं. एक कहावत है ना, जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. तो आप ऐसे ही ध्यान में रखना, जब तक आपका फोन कनेक्ट नहीं होता है तब तक आप छोड़ोगे नहीं. यू नीड टू कनेक्ट. You tried once, you tried thrice, four times, and suppose you are failing to connect the phone, you need to restart the tabs window also. Okay, you need to restart the cell phone several times. You need to switch it off, switch it on, and suppose उसके बाद में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप एक बार सिम को निकालो. सिम को निकालने के बाद से कनेक्टर, ये सारी चीजें आपको रखनी पड़ेगी, और ये सारी चीजें आपको कार में मिलेगी जब आप ड्राइव टेस्ट पे आओगे. तो ये पिन है आपके साथ, ठीक है. तो ये सारी चीजें आपके पास है, ठीक है. कंफर्टेबली एसी में बैठे रहिए और बस काम करते रहिए, ठीक है. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो, अगर जब तक मोबाइल कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है तब तक आपको ट्राई करते रहना है. वंस इट इज कनेक्टेड, सी एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन्ड हियर. ओके, देन जीपीएस इज कनेक्टेड, यू गो ऑन द करेक्ट और टिक्ड मार्क, तो वहां पे कनेक्ट हो जाएगा. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट दिखाता हूँ, जैसे हम लोग थोड़ा सा फॉरवर्ड जाते हैं, थोड़ा बैकवर्ड जाते हैं, ताकि आपको ये समझ में आए कि ये जीपीएस किस तरीके से पोजीशन करता है, और हम लोग इस वीडियो को क्लोज कर देते हैं. मैं थोड़ा सा आगे चलेंगे. See the market. You are getting the line here, na? Like that, you need to understand that you are going forward. Then you are going rightward, you are going leftward. यहाँ पे रोक दीजिए. हाँ, यहीं पे रोक दीजिए. Okay. So like that, you need to understand. And here again, so many options are there. Like you need to clear the map. So see, now map is cleared. So many options are there. But how to connect it? How to see the PCIs? How to see a 4G or 5G is serving or not? So these are the things where we are further trying to set up the things. Okay. So thank you. और हम लोग मिलते हैं next time. Thank you.